In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Pinterest. We'll walk through the process from the very beginning, so even if you're new to Pinterest or not very comfortable with websites, you'll be able to follow along easily. First, open your web browser on your computer, tablet, or phone. In the address bar at the top, type in the Pinterest website address and press enter. This will take you to the main Pinterest landing page, where you usually see a big sign-up area and lots of images or ideas in the background. Once the page has loaded, look towards the top right-hand corner of the screen. You should see two main options there, one for signing up and one that says Login. Because you already have an account and just want to access it, click on Login. This will open a login window or a new page with fields where you can enter your details. You'll see a box for your email address. Click inside that email field so your cursor appears there, and then carefully type in the email address you used when you created your Pinterest account. Take a second to check for small mistakes, like missing letters or extra spaces, because even a tiny error can cause login problems. Below the email field, you'll find the password field. Click into that box and type your Pinterest password. Remember that passwords are usually case sensitive, so make sure your caps lock key is not accidentally turned on. If you're in a public place or using a shared computer, be careful that nobody is looking over your shoulder while you type. It's a good habit to avoid saving your password on devices that other people use. If you originally created your Pinterest account using a Google account instead of an email and password, you'll see an option to continue with Google. In that case, instead of typing your email and password manually, simply click on the button that says Continue As, followed by your Google account. Pinterest will then connect through Google and log you in automatically, as long as you're signed into that Google account in your browser. Once you've entered your email and password, or chosen to continue with Google, Pinterest will take a moment to verify your details and then open your home feed. From there, you're logged in and ready to start browsing, saving, and exploring ideas.